Welcome back to Speller Tutorial Services. If you find today's clip useful, please like, share, and or subscribe to our channel. Here we're going to convert from hexadecimal to decimal, and up here I've listed from 0 to 15, where 0 through 9 will be the first 10 digits available in hexadecimal, and then you have the letters A through F, and then I also listed the decimal equivalents for A through F, which would be from 10 to 15. So given the hexadecimal number A01C, to convert that to decimal, we're going to start by listing base 16 to the 0, base 16 to the first, base 16 to the second, and base 16 to the third. Again, we're using base 16 because we're starting with hexadecimal. So 16 to the 0 power is 1, 16 to the first is 16, 16 to the second is 256, and 16 to the third is 4096. Now what we need to do is we need to incorporate the decimal equivalents for each one of the hexadecimal digits here at the top. So for the letter C, C has a value of 12, so we're going to do 1 times 12. Then we're going to add that to 16 times 1, which is just 16. Here for 256 is 256 times 0, so we don't need to place anything there, so I'm just going to place a 0. And then 4096 times A, which is 10, so 4096, and I'm going to put times 10 here. So now I'm going to just evaluate each one of these. So when you have 4096, you just need to add a 0, which makes that 40,960. I want to add 0, then I'm going to add the 16, and then I'm going to add 1 times 12, which is 12. So now when I add these numbers up, this is going to give me the decimal equivalent. So 6 plus 2 to give me 8. 6 plus another 2 to again give me 8, and then I bring down the 4, the 0, and the 9. So here I see that A01C in hexadecimal, its equivalent form in decimal is 40,988. Alright, that sums up this tutorial, and if you found it useful, again, please like, share, or subscribe to our channel, and as always, have a great day.